Hey beauties, welcome back for another video. I have a delicious recipe for you guys today. I'll be making a dairy-free peppermint Oreo cheesecake. Now, quick disclaimer, although this recipe will be dairy-free and it will have less sugar than your average Oreo cheesecake, it's still going to be pretty up there in calories. So just consider this a holiday treat, not necessarily a low-calorie alternative. So for this recipe, you'll need about a package of Oreos, 1 cup coconut cream, 3 tablespoons coconut oil, 2 teaspoons peppermint extract, an optional green food coloring if you like, and about 3.5 cups of cashews. If you're not a fan of peppermint, just skip this ingredient. And shout out to Tasty and Preppy Kitchen YouTube channels. Their videos inspired me to make this recipe. All right, let's get started. You're gonna place a sheet of parchment paper over the base of a springform pan. Then you're gonna lock it into place. You're gonna throw about 25 cookies into a food processor and chop on high until you get crumbly bits. Then you'll toss your coconut oil in and blend for about 30 seconds more. Okay, now you're gonna press those Oreo crumbs into the bottom and the sides of your pan. You'll wanna take those crumbs about 1 inch up the sides. Now you're gonna grab another 10 Oreos and separate the cream from the cookie and set it aside. Onto our cheesecake filling. So toss your cashews in the food processor and start chopping on high. You'll add in your coconut cream, your Oreo filling, your peppermint extract, and then you're gonna pour in your lemon juice last. All right, now let's pour half of that filling into the pie crust, and we're gonna top it with those separated Oreo cookie pieces. Just crumble them up in your hands, ball up a fist really tight, and just press the cookies together, you'll get some crumbs. Then you're gonna pour in your second half of that pie filling. Smooth it out and freeze for about an hour. All right, there we have it. Our dairy-free peppermint Oreo cheesecake. Yummy, yummy, yummy. So I was a little excited. I forgot to give you guys a good video shot of the full pie. I had already cut a slice, topped it with a little cocoa whip. But that's okay. You guys get the idea. Happy holidays, beauties. See you guys in the next video.